In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell out-of-stock items on Shopify. If you want to keep taking orders while a product is temporarily unavailable, Shopify makes this easy with a built-in setting. This is perfect for pre-orders, back orders, or when a restock is on the way and you don't want to pause sales. Before you proceed, make sure you're comfortable fulfilling these orders within a reasonable time frame and plan how you'll communicate shipping expectations to your customers. Open the Shopify website and go to your admin dashboard. From the main menu, head to Products. This is where all your items live, including those that are currently out of stock. Find the product you want to keep selling and click it to open its details page. If you have a lot of products, use the search bar or filters to locate it quickly. Once you're on the product page, scroll down until you reach the inventory section. Here, you'll see your inventory tracking options and the current available quantity. Look for the checkbox labeled Continue Selling when out of stock. Check this box. What this does is allow customers to purchase the product even when the inventory counts down to zero or goes negative, which Shopify will track until you restock and fulfill those orders. If your product has variants, like different sizes or colors, make sure you apply this setting to each variant that you want to keep selling when it's out of stock. Variants manage inventory independently, so checking the box on one variant won't affect the others. After you've made the change, click Save. You'll find the Save button at the top or bottom of the page. Saving is important. Without it, the setting won't take effect. Once saved, your storefront will allow customers to add the item to their cart and check out, even if the quantity is at zero. A few best practices can help this go smoothly. Be transparent with customers about lead times so they know when to expect their order, especially if you're using this setting for pre-orders. Keep an eye on your inventory and purchase orders so you can restock promptly. And remember, you can return to this product at any time and uncheck the box if you want to stop selling while out of stock. That's all it takes. By enabling continue selling when out of stock and saving your changes, you can keep your sales momentum going while you restock, without needing any additional apps or complicated setup.